Welcome to Army Recognition Defense and Security Web TV's news channel. The breaking news for today: new record for the French-made self-propelled howitzer César firing Raytheon Excalibur ammunition at more than 46 km. Rheinmetall smokescreen launcher Rosy deployed for the first time on Milrem THeMIS UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle. China has developed a four-legged robot designed to support soldiers on the battlefield. Chinese Army used new Dragon and Horse 2 8x8 unmanned ground vehicle to carry ammunition. According to information and video published by the American company Raytheon Missile and Defense, the French Nexter César 6x6 155mm wheel self-propelled howitzer firing Raytheon Excalibur extended range artillery projectiles directly struck two targets at a distance of more than 46 km, a record-setting range for this artillery gun system. Raytheon Missile and Defense, a Raytheon Technologies business unit, in partnership with the US Army and the French company Nexter, successfully fired Excalibur artillery projectiles from a César 155mm self-propelled howitzer. The test proved compatibility between Excalibur and the US Army modular artillery charge system and César. Recently, the French Nexter César was tested by the US Army in the framework of an urgent need for a self-propelled howitzer to be deployed in Europe in replacement of the turret howitzer M777A2. The César is a truck-mounted self-propelled howitzer developed, designed and manufactured by the French company Nexter. The César 6x6 has equipped the French Army since 2008 and participates in French main engagement abroad: Afghanistan, Lebanon, Mali, Iraq and more. Available in 6x6 and 4x4 configuration, the César is armed with a 155mm 52 caliber cannon mounted at the rear of a truck chassis. It can be used to provide fire support at long distance with a firing range from 45 km to 40 km and a high level of accuracy. The César can also be used to destroy ground targets in indirect firing mode with a maximum range of 2 km. The Excalibur precision guided ammunition is co-developed by Raytheon Missile and Defense and BAE System Beaufort. The Excalibur projectile is a true precision weapon impacting at a radar miss distance of less than 2 meters from the targets. The Excalibur ammunition also extends the reach of 39 caliber artillery system to 40 km and 52 caliber artillery system to more than 50 km. According to information published on January 20, the German company Rheinmetall and the Estonian company Milrem Robotics has deployed for the first time the rapid obscuring system Rosy, a smokescreen launcher on the unmanned ground vehicle THeMIS. The Rosy was integrated onto the THeMIS combat unmanned ground vehicle and deployed by Latvian Armed Forces soldiers during the second demonstration of the European Project Integrated Modular Unmanned Ground System. The THeMIS tracked hybrid modular infantry system is a multi-mission unmanned ground vehicle developed by the Estonian company Milrem Robotics. The first prototype of the UGV was unveiled at the Defense and Security Equipment International Exhibition in London. The THeMIS is based on a tracked chassis with two crawler tracks connected by a large central bay. The length and the width of the vehicle are 2.1 meters. It has a maximum combat weight of 850 kg and can carry payload of 750 kg. The central bay is designed to incorporate different types of mission systems, including cargo, towing equipment, unmanned aerial vehicles, and weapon systems. The Rosy is a smoke protection system designed and manufactured by the German company Rheinmetall. The system is used to protect the crew and passengers of military and civilian vehicles from surprise attacks and ambush during reconnaissance patrol or while traveling in convoy. According to a video released by the Chinese television CCTV on January 16, China has developed a four-legged robot which seems very similar to the leg squad support system developed by the US DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, in collaboration with the American company Boston Dynamics. According to the Chinese source, the new Chinese-made four-legged robot is dubbed Mechanical Yak and has been designed to conduct logistics and reconnaissance missions in all terrain conditions and especially in mountainous regions. The Mechanical Yak was approximately the shape and size of a cow. The robot seems to be equipped with a camera mounted into the head of the robot as well as sensors to detect the terrain and all the external environment. The Mechanical Yak is able to carry up to 160 kg of payload and it can run at a maximum speed of up to 10 km. Thanks to its unique design, the robot has demonstrated its mobility by climbing and descending a hill and exercising its perception capabilities. It can be used in all types of terrains, including steppes, trenches and cliffs. It can move forwards and backward, turn, walk diagonally, sprint, dash and jump in a stable manner. According to the CCTV television report, the mechanical yak could be in the future cargo robot for Chinese military forces and will be able to transport and deliver munitions, foods or combat equipment in environments like plateaus, mountains, desert and forest that are not accessible to standard vehicles. According to a video released by the Chinese military CCTV-7, the Chinese-made Dragon and Horse 2 8x8 unmanned ground vehicle entered in service with the Chinese army and is used as a cargo vehicle to carry ammunition. The Dragon and Horse 2 is a new generation of all-terrain vehicles designed and manufactured by the Chinese company Sunward Intelligent Equipment. It was unveiled in November 2018 during the Airshow China that was held in Zhuhai. The Dragon and Horse 2 is based on a very unique 8x8 chassis with a fully independent axle mounted at the rear and the front and two axles in the middle, offering a very high level of mobility. Thanks to its 8x8 configuration, the vehicle also has an excellent obstacle crossing capability and is adapted to cross various landforms such as hills, basins, rivers and mountains. The Dragon and Horse 2 can cross a 1.2 meter vertical obstacle, cross a trench of 1.8 meter, turn zero radius steering, climb a stand of 35 degrees. It has a length of 5 meters, a width of 1.81 meter and a height of 1.5 meter. The vehicle is powered by a single turbo diesel engine, allowing a range of 200 km on road and 100 km on off-road condition at a maximum speed of 50 km. The Dragon and Horse 2 can carry up to 1000 kg of various payload. It provides a standard electrical and flank carrying interface which is compatible with a variety of combat models.